head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
Hi there everybody, my name is Meredith from Spirits with Smoke, and today we are going to be doing our version of the margarita. So what we're doing is taking a classic margarita as well as what is known as the Tommy margarita and kind of blending them together. So we're doing lime juice, of course, fresh, as well as agave syrup, a little bit of Cointreau, and then of course our tequila. But first, let's rim the glass. So what we want to do is rim the outside of the glass using just a lime wheel here. We want to do the outside just because we don't want to make sure that not too much salt gets into your drink and then you're just drinking salt water. So you just lime the outside. We're only going to go halfway so people can take a break in between. And we just have some really high quality sea salt. Don't worry if it doesn't get all the way around or it looks as pretty as magazines. You're enjoying this at home. As long as you have that little salt, you'll be fine. Next, we're gonna smoke our cocktail glass. So we're gonna just pop our smoking saucer on top, and then with some cognac and cherry, we'll just do a little pinch. Once again, a little pinch goes a long way. And then grabbing our trusty torch on low at a 90-degree angle, not that low. On a 90-degree angle, you'll light those wood chips and let that smoke just billow downwards. That's about all she needs. And then we're just gonna throw that to the side. Now we're gonna grab our small tin, because that's where we wanna build our cocktail, and then grab our drinks. So first I'm gonna grab our tequila. So we're gonna be doing 2 full ounces of tequila. This is definitely gonna be the star of the cocktail. So you're just going to fill it all the way up to the top here and pour it right in. Then this is where we get a little bit different than the classic. We're going to be doing 1/4 ounce, 0.25 ounces of Cointreau. There we are. And then after that, we're gonna get into our agave syrup. So we just have a little bit of agave syrup here. We're gonna do a full ounce of agave. And then we're gonna go into our fresh lime juice. So I'm just gonna get a lime here. I like to cut it in half. And then with our trusty, we're just going to fill this all the way up to a full ounce of lime juice. This is definitely what is probably one of the more important parts of this cocktail, discounting the tequila, of course. You really want that fresh, bright tartness. So there's a full ounce in there, and we'll pour that right in. Perfect. All right, now we're just gonna grab the ice, once again, using our small tin. We fill it right up to the top, then take our larger one, flip it over, and then just shake. Perfect. And that's all of that. About 15 seconds is really all you need to incorporate. And don't worry about what it looks like when you shake. All that matters is that the ice is moving back and forth. So then with our St. George Strainer and then our fine mesh, we're gonna pour it right into our smoked glass. So it definitely looks like it's a little bit of a different color than a regular margarita. That's just because of the agave I used, had a little bit more of a twinge to it. And then we're gonna fill us up with ice. All the way to the top, you want it to be nice and chilled. And then of course, our garnish. So we're just gonna do either a lime wedge or a lime wheel. This is the lime wheel, so if you wanted to do that one, just cut a little slit. You can put it right on top. So that is our margarita. It's smoked on cherry wood with a little bit of agave, Cointreau, and then of course tequila. Oh my God, that's so good.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.